Good morning, guys. It's 12 o'clock in midnight na right now. And gusto ko lang sabihin na I'm signing off na this time. And kasi umaga na, morning na, dawn na. So, medyo pagod na ako. I did everything in the house and doing errands and chores and keeping my household healthy every day, and everything's fine now already during this midnight, during this night. And uh, just want to say, I want to sign off now right now. So, signing off na si Ria Palmaragas, Mami Yang, and wishing you the best in life. Mwah! Saying bye-bye for now. See you next time, and happy dinner time sa mga late na mag-dinner, sa mga gusto na kumain sa gabi, and midnight snack. Okay? And see you tomorrow. God bless everyone. Bye!